Okay, did you ever feel like something very protein like you're not interested necessarily in a lot of carbs? Perhaps you just want something packed with protein that is not expensive, and the sky is the limit on your creativity. What am I talking about? Hi, this is Jan. Welcome to another episode on the No Frills video. It happens to be No Frills Friday. Many times we talk about stockpiling on Friday, but today I want to talk about frittata. What exactly is a frittata? Now, I looked up the definition, and this is according to my internet search definition. Here's what it says. I asked, what is a frittata made of? Basically, frittatas, this is according to the definition, not my definition. Frittatas are an Italian dish consisting of cooked eggs, of course, the bird clock, cooked eggs with other ingredients added in like meat, vegetables, or cheese. Now, here's where it is different, let's say, from an omelet, okay? So, unlike omelets and scrambled eggs, frittatas are not moved, they're not moved or folded over as they are cooked. That's an interesting way of describing it. The frittata is cooked whole without disturbing in one large piece. Now you could go online and get the exact recipe of how to compose, put together a frittata of your own. What I like about frittatas, and I'll tell you, high in protein, extremely as inexpensive or as expensive as you want it to be. For example, if you enjoy eggs, a really great time to make a frittata is like, for example, at the end of the week when perhaps you're cleaning out your refrigerator for the future, your next shopping load, for example, and you have, let's say, some leftover potatoes. You have maybe an onion that was cut up. Maybe you have a little bit of vegetables that you like, or you prefer to put in some meat. So let's say you have like bell pepper, uh, onion, or some sort of maybe chicken even, or just vegetables and no meat. You can put all those ingredients together in your frittata. Frittatas are very protein filled. In my opinion, you could dress it up and dress it down. And if you're, squeezing out a penny here or there, I'm telling you, you could just dress it down and make it as simple as possible. But I don't have the like exactly recipe how to put it together. Just look that up on your own. Just look up frittata, frittata, and find a favorite video of choice. You could do that easily, or I could actually maybe look up a recipe for you, a video, and then I could attach it in the description below. I could do that, no big deal. But I just was reminding you that, there are a bunch of things in your refrigerator. You could use it up. And a frittata definitely is a good way to go. Another alternative to eating. It's an easy meal and you'll enjoy it. Have a great day.